What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here. Today we gotta discuss what if you put just $50 per week into Cardano's Ada for the next 3 years. That would put you well above that $1 million mark. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, let's get to it. So the calculator we're gonna use today is Cardano DCA, or the SIP calculator. DCA simply stands for dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy in which an investor invests a small amount of money periodically on a weekly or monthly basis to avoid the impact of volatility on his or her overall purchases. These purchases occur at a fixed period, which reduces the huge effort in tracking the market for better buy prices. DCA, dollar cost averaging, aims to avoid making the mistake of putting all your money in at once into Cardano at a high price and just sitting down waiting for 3 years, losing some of your investments because of poor timing with regards to the asset pricing. So it is a greater and best method to create wealth over the long term by simply putting in small amounts at a time on a weekly basis, and that is the power of dollar cost averaging. So $50 a week 3 years from now would have turned into a $7,800 overall investment by yourself, and that would return you a 1,659% gain on your Cardano Ada, netting you a total return of $137,236. This is at a price of $1.22 per Ada. And we all know Cardano is not going to stay at $1.22 with smart contracts and all of these things coming out. 137k return on investment with your Ada would multiply if Cardano goes to 10, 20 or even $30, hitting that $1 trillion market cap. That would put you well above the $1 million mark simply by investing $7,800 over the period of 3 years in small chunks of $50 per week into Cardano's Ada. That is the power of DCA, dollar cost averaging. Where is this based on? It is based on the fact that Charles Hoskinson has explained last year how Cardano could get to $1 trillion market cap, as Hoskinson believes that it is just a matter of time before the entire cryptocurrency will grow from billions to trillions in terms of market capitalization, and this has already happened this year, and that is the beginning. One key driver of this is demographics, as in the future everybody under the age of 35 years old will most likely own cryptocurrency rather than owning bonds, stocks, mutual funds or even gold. So investors' interest in this asset class is going to be biased towards the young, and as the young gets older and richer, they're gonna pass this generational wealth of crypto to their younger generations. Furthermore, Hoskinson expects governments to start adopting blockchain technology and at the same time provide clearer regulations, as eventually states will run their own voting systems where their property registrations and all these things will fall into line. So the fact that those systems exist and they are doing all of these things creates more inflows and value into the cryptocurrency space. As the regulations are getting set, institutional investors can finally put their legit money into the crypto industry, bringing trillions of dollars of inflows of capital into this space. And when all of these factors align, Hoskinson believes that Cardano will be positioned to benefit the most, as he thinks that long term it could take 5, 10 or even 15 years from now, a whole bunch of this money will be coming into the Cardano ecosystem, as it is a 3rd generation blockchain. It will be able to scale and billions of people will be able to use Ada for financial freedom. A proof of this is in the making right now. You are witnessing history, as in the past bear markets when Bitcoin tumbles, the altcoins fell even harder. But in this bear market, Bitcoin tumbles and altcoins like Cardano stay in the green. Why? Because institutional money is flowing into some of these altcoins, as these giant financial institutions are realizing that these coins actually have real world use case. The Cardano ecosystem can really scale. Once the Gorgon rollout happens and these smart contracts are live, the power of this will be released into the world. So in the future, we will witness shorter bear markets and longer bull rallies. Even with the laws of diminishing return from Bitcoin, some of these altcoins could make you a millionaire, and Cardano's Ada is one of them. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comment section below. Like the video, share, subscribe for some daily crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.